Hey, welcome back, guys. So I have a quick, just a short unboxing video from Woodpecker Crafts. I want to show you what I got in my box. Now, I had already opened the box, so as you can see, I opened it. Now this is a bag of 100 wooden beads, and these beads 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch with a 3/16 inch hole, but this is 100. These beads are very large. And then I have 4 gingerbread men. See, these are very large too. This is 6 inches in length by 4.7 inches wide. 4.7 inches wide by 6 inches. And that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my favorite, I got me some more mini rolling pins. And these are 5 inches mini rolling pins, and it's 1 dozen mini rolling pins. 61 cents each. So the more you purchase is the lower the price goes. So if you buy one, it's 61 cents, but if you buy a dozen, then the price for each goes down. And my other favorite, wood round. Wow, I love these. This is 12 inches by a 1/4 inch thick, and that's 2 of them. And can you imagine what beautiful wood round decor these would be? And then this is a wooden Christmas tree. This one is, let me see what size this is. Where's my ruler? 12 inches. 12 inches by 10.25 inches. And then we have a Christmas ornament, and this too is also large. This is 12 inches by 8.8 inches. I love Woodpecker Craft. I'm an affiliate, but I must tell you, I enjoy using their wood in my DIYs. I am going to leave a link in my description box below, so if you're interested in picking up any of these items or even anything else from Woodpecker Crafts, that link will take you directly to the website and you can purchase. So that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing of wood and more wood. And oh, before you go, check out this video to see my last unboxing. And if you want to see more product reviews and unboxing, watch this playlist right here. And until next time, bye!